The Amcrest Video Doorbell Camera requires wired power and may utilize your existing doorbell wiring, 16 volts to 24 volts. If you do not have existing doorbell wiring, a separate power supply must be purchased and is available on Amazon by searching ASIN, B08BZX29LG. Doorbell is compatible with existing traditional mechanical and electronic digital chimes to provide surveillance of all front door activity in high-definition 1920x1080p resolution. This doorbell is not battery-powered. Built-in microphone and speaker allows for two-way audio and makes it easier to talk to visitors without having to get up and answer the door. Includes 2 interchangeable faceplates, choose from a black or silver faceplate. The Amcrest Video Doorbell Camera is RTSP stream compatible. This home security camera features an extra-wide 140 degrees viewing angle allowing you to cover every angle. Our Wi-Fi doorbell camera works with 2.4 GHz only, and does not support 5 GHz networks. Built-in night vision allows you to see in the dark, up to 16 feet away. The Amcrest Doorbell is compatible with the following brackets: ASIN, B08B8YWLRX, corner bracket, ASIN, B08B8Y621Z, wedge bracket. PIR motion sensor lets you receive motion detection alerts via email or push notifications and instantly review recorded footage directly from your smartphone using the Amcrest Smart Home app. Securely store your HD footage to the Amcrest Smart Home Cloud or store directly to a Class 10 microSD card up to 128 GB. MicroSD card not included, limited compatibility with Amcrest View Pro, not compatible with Amcrest Cloud. Top reviews from the United States. This Amcrest Video Doorbell comes with its own chime kit and mounting kit, tools, wiring required to install it. The doorbell hardware is well built and comes with 2 faceplates, silver, black. It has built-in night vision, IR, and I have no problem recognizing visitors near the door, 4 to 8 feet distance, both at night and day. I like that the installation is fairly simple. The video doorbell gets power from same wiring from the old doorbell. It requires 16 to 24 volts input to operating, which is the regular voltage range for most doorbells in US. Extension wires are included if old wires aren't long enough. There is a microSD card slot on the side, after removing faceplate, for local storage, up to 128 GB. It has built-in Wi-Fi and supports only 2.4 GHz. The recordings are in HD 1080p and wide angle, 140 degree. Most operations have to go through the Amcrest Smart Home app, such as setup, upgrading the doorbell, check local recordings, etc. I haven't found a way to download recordings from the cloud, and so far I have been getting copies of recordings from the microSD card inserted. I am able to add the device seamlessly to my Amcrest NVR and the Surveillance Pro app, which is a plus. The motion detection notification, motion detection zones are customizable. When the doorbell camera senses visitor is my favorite feature.